Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a quick anita espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because pretty much I wasn't building up pressure and the pressure release but needed to be replaced. This wasn't closing all the way down and a lot of steam was coming through here. So we replaced that and now the machine is holding up pressure properly. You can definitely see. We also give it a tune-up. As you can see the steamer is working perfectly fine. And the tune-up consists replacing the gasket shower screen. This is the older one, as well as deep cleaning the screen over here and this guy in the machine. And for this one, this group, it was really bad. Let me just see if I can find a picture of it. It was just very dirty and it had a lot of coffee stick to it, especially on that area that I'm showing right now. The shower screen is working perfectly fine, and you can see some water floating out through there. And this is how it looked before. It was just pretty bad. As you can see, that it was completely covered with coffee, and it was just in really bad condition. Definitely needed a tune-up for sure. And now you can see that the water is coming out perfectly fine. So there you have it. Quick Anita working once again. Okay, thank you for bearing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.